Hello, artists! I'm your teacher, Mr. Hughes, and welcome back to your online art class. The theme this week is comics.
Comics, floppies, funny papers.
Many of you have been helping me with my own comic strip. I presented a problem.
Mr. Hughes is stuck at home just like you. So bored! What should he do for fun? You sent me your ideas for what should happen next, and I made them part of the comic. You sent me more ideas, I made more comics, and so on and so on. I don't know how this story is going to end, and that's part of the fun of doing this project with you.
This week is your chance to have the same fun. There is no one way to make comics, but there are some time-tested tips that you might want to follow.
Hello, I'm here to show you how to draw a comic. First, you have to think of an idea. That's the hard part. Then you plan your comic with some rough sketches. How many panels will you need? What will you draw in each box? What words will you write and where will you write them? It's a lot to think about. Then you draw the boxes, panels, whatever. I use a ruler. Write your words before you draw anything. Trust me, just do it. Do all your drawings in pencil. When you like the way they look, ink over your pencil drawings with a black pen or a good brush. Erase the pencil lines and voila! Comic! By Rama Hughes.
Drawing comics can take a long time, but I want this to be fun for you. So I'm only asking you to draw one panel each day. That'll give you 5 days to draw a 4-panel comic strip and 1 whole day to ink it. And it's okay if you don't have an idea. Take it one day at a time.
Day 1. Problem. Draw a character with a problem.
Give your character a problem that you really do have.
I don't know what to draw.
Now you have all day to think of a solution to that problem.
Day 2. Solution. Show how the character hopes to solve the problem.
I'll draw myself.
Day 3. Complication. Make the problem harder.
Oh, I'm so ugly.
Day 4. Punchline. Draw a surprise ending.
Who you callin' ugly?
Day 5. Ink. Go over your pencil lines with ink to make your comic easier to read.
You can write and draw in any style that you like, but it's important that the reader can follow along. So if you make a comic like this,
it would get a 1. This isn't really a comic yet. It uses pictures and words and even draws on panels, but these pieces don't fit together to tell a story. This comic would earn a 2. It's much better. This is a comic. It's even a little funny, but it's hard to read because the writing is unorganized and the drawings change so much from panel to panel. This comic would get a 3. Well done. The clear writing and the consistent drawing make this comic easy to read. And wow, this comic gets a 4. It exceeds expectations by using color, expression, body language, and interesting typography to tell the story. How else could you exceed expectations for this assignment? Written instructions for this week's challenge are included on Parent Locker, along with a page of blank panels that you can print if you don't want to draw your own panels.
take pictures of your finished comics and send them to me on Friday. I can't wait to see what you make. There were no bloopers this week, so you'll have to settle for more
Comics!
I need help with my crops. I've tried everything. I tilled the farmlands, I used water and light, I even used bone meal. What to do?
Try planting the seeds.
So that's what these things are for. Wait for it.
Huh?
What did your art teacher say at the crosswalk?
What?
Look at that van go.
You're fired, Mr. Hughes.
Why are you so hairy, Mr. Hughes?
Because I'm half werewolf.
No, you're not.
Yep, half werewolf, half unicorn.
What should I wear today? How about your new shirt? Okay. Hey, this shirt is too small. I don't care. It's not like I'm going to school anyways.
What are we doing in art today, Mr. Hughes?
The same thing we do every day, Pinky.
Huh?
Try to take over the world!